Now guys, I really want to show you the brand new IGORA Royal High Lifts with the 10 series. And you can see that we have two new colours again, the 1019 and the 1049. So now the beauty of these fabulous shades is that again, we have a soft neutralising colour with the 101, and our coolest is a 1021. Beautiful for creating those kind of platinum blondes on a level 7 and up. Now here, for me, the 1019 is utterly gorgeous. You get that very soft, sort of violety shade just coming in after the ash shade. It's beautiful. For me, I would say that these are our two sort of fashion shades. Beautiful with either 9% to get maximum tonal deposit, or 12% if you want that little bit of extra lift. We have limitless possibilities with mixing all these colours together. Here we have a couple of examples on a cooler tone and a couple of examples on a warmer tone. 10-1 and 10-2-1 together, just divine. It's a little bit softer than working 10-2-1 by itself and a little more neutralising than using 10-1 by itself. A great combination. These are perfect ways of making a colour bespoke to your client sat in front of you. Again, it's just a few examples here, but this is gorgeous. On a base H, we've done 1019 and 1049. So pretty, absolutely beautiful. And again, you can see that kind of slight beigey rosé feel about it. It's just got that slight iridescent, pearlescent kind of feel to it. This, I think, is a really good example of how important it is to pick the right tone for the client you're doing. So here, this is on a depth 7. I've mixed 10-0 by itself and then 10-2-1 by itself. And you can see the massive difference. So depending on my client in front of me and the result that I want to get, if I want something warmer, 10-1 is perfect. But I love to go for the 10-2-1 to create that cooler tone.